Let's begin by understanding the basics of underscore underscore star underscore underscore and underscore underscore repr underscore underscore in Python. These are special methods used to define string representations of objects. Underscore underscore star underscore underscore is intended to be a readable representation for end users, while underscore underscore repr underscore underscore is meant to be an unambiguous representation for developers. Now that we understand the purpose of these methods, let's see how they behave when used with built-in functions. The stir function calls the underscore underscore star underscore underscore method, while repr calls the underscore underscore repr underscore underscore method. If underscore underscore stir underscore underscore is not defined, Python will use underscore underscore repr underscore underscore as a fallback. Finally, let's explore best practices when implementing underscore underscore star underscore underscore and underscore underscore repr underscore underscore. It's recommended to make underscore underscore repr underscore underscore output a valid Python expression that could recreate the object, if possible. Meanwhile, underscore underscore star underscore underscore should be a user-friendly description of the object.